Hello, today in this video I will show you how to install WordPress in CPANEL. This is my free hosting. Okay, this is a free hosting website profreehost.com. First log in your client area and open control panel. After open your cPanel, here one option is software. Under software, click the apps installer. And here one option WordPress, not for WordPress, Joomla, Aventec card. Okay, click the WordPress install, and here my WordPress version is 5.8. okay, and my domain name is techphp.anoek.com. okay, and site name, site description, then admin account. Here write admin and password also admin, and admin email ID. okay, then select language English and install. My install is complete. Now click first link, and my WordPress is installed successful. Try to access WP admin and login. Open my dashboard. okay, this way you can install WordPress from your cPanel. okay, thank you.